Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I have a very good news to share with you all. Coursera is offering more than 100 courses for free, and the best part is you can get a certificate after completing these courses. First, let us see what are those courses and then I'll show you how to enroll in it. There are different categories like career development, business and entrepreneurship, cloud technology, mental health and well-being, computer science, math fundamentals, and the list goes on till COVID-19. You can see all the categories in this box. Now let us see the courses under career development. So more than 15 courses are offered in this section. You can also see the university's name which are offering these courses. So some of the best courses in career development are Successful Career Development by University System of Georgia, and Sit Less Get Active by the University of Edinburgh, and Imperial College London is offering one course, that is Creative Thinking Techniques and Tools for Success. Creative Problem Solving is offered by University of Minnesota. High Stakes Leadership Leading in Times of Crisis is offered by University of Michigan. Converting Challenges into Opportunities, and it is offered by University of California. So you can see all the 16 courses here under the category of career development. Now let's move on to the next one. For business and entrepreneurship, under this section, they are offering 5 courses. Strategy of Content Marketing, New Models of Business in Society is offered by University of Virginia. Marketing Analytics is also offered by the same university. Becoming a Change Maker, and this is offered by Cape Town University. Design Creation of Artifacts in Society, this is offered by University of Pennsylvania, one of the Ivy League colleges. So these are the 5 courses under business and entrepreneurship. Now let's see the courses that are available to improve our cloud technology skills. The courses offered under cloud technology are very good, and this is offered by the tech companies themselves. These are not universities, these are companies, and you can see here the names like Google, Amazon Web Services, LearnQuest. All these are actually companies. You can learn straight away from the industry professionals in these courses. Let's see the 9 courses that are available here. Machine Learning for Business Professionals, and it is offered by Google Cloud. AWS Computer Vision, offered by AWS. Getting started with AWS Machine Learning is also offered by Amazon Web Services. Building conversational experiences with Dialogflow is offered by Google Cloud. Developing AI applications on Azure and Cloud Computing Basics, these both are offered by LearnQuest. And 2 more courses are also available in this category. Now let's move on to the next one. And the next section is Mental Health and Well-being. Under this, you have 11 courses. Psychological First Aid by Johns Hopkins University is one of the popular courses in Coursera. And Social Psychology is also a popular course. It's offered by Wesleyan University. Now let's move on to the next section. Discover Your Passions. So under this you have 8 courses which are very different and very unique. So let's see the courses now. Guitar for Beginners, Introduction to Philosophy, Making Architecture by IE Business School. It's a top business school in Spain. Big History Connecting Knowledge by Macquarie University. Now let's move on to the next section, and this is Computer Science. And there are very good courses under computer science. Code Yourself, an Introduction to Programming, and this is offered by the University of Edinburgh. And Algorithms Part 1 and Part 2 are offered by Princeton University, and this one here is one of the best, I would say. Build Your First Android App, Project Centered course, and you can see all the courses here under computer science. And under Math Fundamentals you have 3 courses, namely Calculus Part 1, Part 3, and Introduction to Calculus. All the 3 are related to calculus. Under Science you have different courses like Astronomy, Chemistry, How Things Work, and Introduction to Physics, the Science of the Solar System. Let's move on to the next section. Prepare for college admissions. First one is Applying to US universities. Second one is How to apply to college. These 2 are offered by University of Pennsylvania. The Science of Success, what researchers know that you should know. It is offered by University of Michigan. U101, Understanding College Life and College. It's offered by University of Washington. Let's move on to the next section. Explore Nature and Animal Kingdom. You have 7 courses under this section. So these are the courses under this section. Now let's move on to the next one. Learn a language. You can find new language courses, beginner level courses in this section. Let's move on to the next one now. Science and Math. Under Science and Math you have Introduction to Sustainability, and Data Science Math Skills is offered by Duke University. It's a popular one. Fundamentals of Engineering Exam Review. And the next category and the last one is Public Health and Safety in the Age of COVID-19. So these are the 100 plus free courses offered by top universities in Coursera. and all these courses are free till December 31st, 2020 to enroll in. So if you wish to enroll in any course, please enroll in the course before 31st December 2020. Now let me shortly explain you how to enroll in a course. I'll put a video link in description. You can watch that if you have any issue in enrolling these courses for free, or leave a comment if you need anything. So I'll tell you basic instructions how to enroll in a course. First, you should have a Coursera account, or if you don't have, create one, and then you have to click on any course name that you see here. Like if you want to enroll in successful career development, click on that name, and you will see a promotion banner at the top of the page. If you don't see it, refresh it and see it again. And once the page is fully loaded, you can see the enroll for free button. Click on that. Once you click on enroll for free button, a pop-up will come and you can see their purchase course. Choose that purchase course option and you will see this wordings there. Your promotion will be automatically applied at the checkout. Continue with purchasing the course, and at the checkout it will say that the total will be 0, and then complete the checkout process and start learning for free. To get more updates about free online courses and course answers, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. We have given all our social media link in description. Check it out. Connect with us on social media. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.